Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Nafi. So we learn the different sounds of G today. So let's start. The soft sound of letter G is J. G sound J before the letters E, I and Y. E, I and Y. G sounds J. Example, gel. Here after G it's E. So G sounds J. Gel. Here it's I after G, so again G sounds J, giraffe. Here it's Y after G, so it again sounds J, gym. Gel, giraffe, gym. Now get, gift and give, etc. are some words that don't follow the rule. These are exceptions. The origin of these three words are German. The hard sound of letter G is G. Hard sound of G occurs more frequently. G sounds G if it's followed by the letters A, O and U. Example, gas. Here after G is A, so G sounds G. Gas. Here it's O after G, so it sounds G. Go. It's not go, it's go. Here it's U after G, so it sounds G. Gun. Gas, go, gun. Now pedagogy. In pedagogy, here after G it's O. G sounds G. Go. Here it's Y after G. G sounds J. Pedagogy. It's not pedagogy, it's pedagogy. G is pronounced G when it comes last in a word. Example, big. Here G comes at last in a word, so it sounds G. Big. Jug. Frog. G is pronounced G when it's followed by consonant. Example, grape. Here after G is the consonant A, so G sounds G. Grape. Here is the consonant L after G, so G sounds G. Glow. Grape, glow. If H comes after G, then sometimes GH can make no sounds. Example, light. Here it's GH is silent. Light. Night. High. Edinburgh. In British sound, it's pronounced as Edinburgh. In ghost, H will be silent. Here, ghost. Many people pronounce it like ghost, but it's wrong. The correct pronunciation is ghost. GH can make F sound. Example, laugh. Here's GH, laugh. Tough, rough. When I have the letters G and N together at the end or towards the end, we tend to remove that G completely, so we don't pronounce it. Example, align. Here G is silent. Align. Campaign. Sign, resign. Here is sign, but it's not resign, it's resign. In case of G and N together at the beginning, G will be silent. Example, gnome. Here G is silent. Gnome. So thank you everyone for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed yet, so subscribe it now. Please like, share and comment me. Bye everyone.